husband to 5 wives, including a 2K, Musa Mseleku, has decided to break his silence as the head of the family regarding the housebreaking that took place in Mpumelelo Mseleku's Ballito residence. If you didn't know, Mpumelelo's house was raided by fake policemen. There were about 8, and security guards who also stole around 30K-ish in cash and a bullet from his licensed firearm. Apparently he was with andazinaba intombi yakhe or umfazi wakhe. She was lobola mose uAmahle, and kuthiwa umntana abantu usancancazela kunangoku. Yibethi unandixela ukubana mna oMpumelelo bano 30K lying around the house nje thina simane simgezela ngoba ngo small boy uthanda amantombazana. Abanye abantwana guys bayasebenza phandle apha, like father like son. Uthini? Like son, like father, like son. Umseleku kaloku uyakwazi ukhanda imali, guys. We all know this. And also, have you seen what a lookalike Sibindi is to his father? Aisha mama yenu izele indoda yakhe, guys. What a nice chocolate man. Hello, hi, welcome. I am Simi Sotashe, your chummy that is always ready to spill the tea, no fear or favor. So make sure that you are subscribed and you like this video because I made it just for you, honey. Now let's get into this mess.
Sanibonani bantu baseNingizimu Afrika, nginosibindi la namqamba lomfana nathi usibindi. Kunjani ndoda yamadoda?
Yaphila kanje, ngiyezwa kuwe.
Ngizwile kuthiwa bongenelo igebengu lapha, abantu wana bamaphoyisa nabanye abama-security bezokwenza ubugebengu. Cha ndoda yamadoda ayithi ngikukhuthaze, yazi empilweni kuyenzeka ngcwekwe. Kodwa mawudlondlobala ungalindele ukuthi wonke umuntu uzokufisela okuhle ukuthi udlondlobala. Udaba lenzekile, abantu bafikile lapha la kuhlala khona indodana yami eBallito. Eseniyazi nonke ukuthi eBallito
ngiyifihla impela.
Yeah, so abantu bakuvakashela lapha eBallito. Kodwa ke udaba asiliheldlishi thina njengabantu bakaMseleku, sesilifake kubameli ibona abazokhuluma nabezomthetho, because mina ngicabanga ukuthi ubugebengu nje obuhleliwe ukuthi banga implicate ukuthi yazi nawe Impumelelo wenza izinto ezingacatshanga ukuthi bezingenziwa umuntu ongangawe. Manje umona ke ngeke ngwenze lutho. Cabanga mina kwakuthiwa ngithwele, mhlambe wena sekuthiwa unemali awusafani nami. Kodwa ke hayi indoda le iyaphila, nami ngiyaphila, siyibambile siyaphambili. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, ndiyathanda ke mna kuba ne-third eye, ne-third ear kuyo yonke into. What left me scratching my head is that Musa mentions that they won't be dealing with this matter their own way, as their lawyers have advised them to take the legal route and let the law do its job so that justice will prevail, blah, blah, blah. What is their own way, Kengoku? Hey, Musa Banzulu, kodwa guys, there's no way you want to tell me that the statement is not that deep. Imagine me saying I was going to deal with you the Sotashe way, but I'll let the lawyers handle it. Inuka mayeza, inuka imbumbulu, inuka nje into dangerous. I just don't know what it is. But we're glad Usibindi and Amahle are okay. I think Usibindi is a hustler, man, but maybe he is stepping into dangerous territories and maybe upsetting the wrong people. A close source said that Mpumelelo's security company is doing well and also getting good gigs, and they suspect that his rivals are behind this robbery and also friends with the police, as the 2 policemen were from Umhlanga police station. Now, a father had to do what a father does, stand by his son, so kudos to him. Umseleku Mkhulu is such a good father. He is always there kuzo zonke scandals zika Mpumelelo. Well, follow more news like this by subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. I will love you for it. Until next time, ciao.